Good morning, everyone, and welcome to today's daily market review on the 19th of April 2021. This is Mohanad Yaoud, Head of Market Research at CJC Markets in the MENA region. Let's have a quick look on the markets, what we are expecting through this week, and what does the technical analysis tell us on the charts, so please stay tuned. Welcome back, everyone, and let's start by having a quick look on the US dollar index, which basically is starting the new week with a major or kind of a big sell-off here. At the beginning of the European session, just like 2 hours ago, we did have this decline from 91.50 and it's currently trading at 91.15. We basically succeeded in breaking below major support levels. The last support level was basically 91.30. We did move lower. However, what we are having here is a clear move to the downside. We are trying to create a new lower low. Basically, that was the last low created in the upwards push. So having a new lower low is basically something that we need to watch. What we are expecting right now is basically we might have a retest during the day. We might have a retest to those levels here, which is the 91.30 points roughly, and then we should extend the movement to the downside. So we are having a push to the downside. Any upward correction or a retest during the day should basically confirm our negative or the bearish view on the dollar index to continue moving downwards and to target first of all the 91.60, which is this level here, and the other low, which is just around the 89.77. However, this will take some time. The first target that we should watch for is 90.63. This is basically, or this condition, this bearish view has one condition, which is basically staying or holding our trading lower or below than 91.30. So after the retest, we need negative price action to push lower to 90.63. That's what we're having here on the dollar index. And on the opposite side, on gold, we're having an upward push, currently trading at $1788. We're basically expecting on the 4-hour time frame, after successfully completing this double bottom pattern, we successfully break above the neckline here. We will be having an extended move to the upside. We might have a retracement from $1805 back to retest the 1760, and this should happen during the week. However, on the longer time frame, we are still able to target the $1835 on the 4-hour time frame. So any basically pullback on gold trading on the 4-hour time frame is a very good opportunity to increase our buying exposure on gold during this week. What we're having also on the US crude oil, currently trading at 63.22, is currently doing nothing at the moment. We are just after this brilliant push to the upside, we're moving in a sideways range. As soon as we just are able to create a new higher high above the 63.85, we'll be heading higher to test the 65 level here on the 4-hour time frame. So basically the margin on the US crude oil is somehow small to trade, because we are currently just at just around a very important resistance level on the weekly time frame. So it is not giving us a good margin to trade. However, any higher high, we will definitely target the $65 per barrel, and that's for the US crude oil. The last thing what we're having here is the US Dow Jones. Basically, we are still able to create new all-time historical highs on the not only on the Dow Jones, but basically on the US stocks or all of the indices on the US markets. Currently on the US 30 or the Dow Jones, we are still moving in the upwards price channel. On the 30 minutes time frame, the midline for the channel basically was able to give us some support here. So we have two key levels to watch during the day. The upward key level should be 34,266, which is the highest high that we are able to create. Any upward breakout to this, we'll definitely be able to create new higher highs. On the opposite side, If you are able basically to create a new lower low just below the 34,100 points roughly, we will be just breaking below the last low. This is an important support level all along with the midline for the price channel. So a break below should basically get us back to 33,900 points roughly to retest the price channel and the 200 exponential moving average. So we'll basically be watching the US Dow Jones. We have a high and we have a low, and we'll act accordingly on the direction of the breakout. And that's what we're having on the markets for today. Thank you very much for watching, and please stay safe.
CJC Markets is a leading global financial institution that has granted a derivatives issuer license issued by the Financial Markets Authority New Zealand. CJC Markets has a wide range of products, latest technology platform, and eminent customer service. CJC Markets offers superior execution, competitive spreads, and low transaction costs. CJC Markets. Smart trading, smart life.